Chris just received his new espresso machine. His birthday Christmas gift this year from his parents. And here's a nice little sign that it comes with.
X6 Trio.
Here's the machine itself. A little smaller than both of us expected, but it's kind of nice.
Alright, here we are going to make our first coffee espresso. And I've already put the bag in, and I've put it to medium roast. This middle one is medium. This is lighter, this is strong, extra strong.
What's the bag roast?
The bag roast is actual beans.
The pod? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to position this to the back. And we're going to put a cup in there. Nice illy cup, brand new. And we're going to fill it until it's full. First espresso ever.
So what's full?
The cup.
Oh, there it goes.
Now that's black.
Yummy.
I've already washed this once, so.
You flushed it out?
Should be good. Yeah, it's just been all flushed out already. It's got a nice caramel color to it. And that's it. It'll be right about there. Would be good. It's beautiful. Beautiful than I meant.
I would use the handle.
Good idea.
That's what it's there for.
Son of a bitch's hat.
Why don't you put the metal cup in there if you don't want to drip and make a mess?
Good idea.
I'm full of them.
And there we have our first cup of espresso. Illy espresso. Illy espresso. First cup.
Smell it. How does it smell?
Yeah, it smells good. It's dark. Hints of caramel. Delicious. Alright, I'm going for my first sip. Oh yeah, that's good. That's damn good.
It's a pretty tiny cup.
Oh yeah, that's very, very good.
Maybe we should have bought decaf.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. So,
How do you rate it?
A+. First good espresso I've had probably since I've been in the house. I was being here. So,
Happy New Year.
pretty happy.
Happy birthday.
Good job.
Merry Christmas.
Lily.
Say hello or thank you to your
Thank
friends.
you.